Hi, good day everyone. I am Arthur Junompad. What we have today is a computer system unit, and what I'm going to do is to disassemble and assemble it step by step. Disassembling and assembling computers takes a big role as a computer technology students. As what we learn when working with computer components, we need to work in a logical, methodical manner. Before touching our system unit, we must prepare ourselves, our workplace, and a set of tools. First, remove your watch or any other jewelry and secure loose clothing. Second, we have to make sure that there should be good enough lights, good ventilation, and a comfortable room temperature. Third, our table should be accessible from all sides. Do not cover the entire surface of the table with tools and computer's components. Arrange them properly. And fourth, put anti-static mat and wear anti-static rest strap to prevent physical contact and to avoid electrostatic discharge or ESD that can damage our components. So the last, prepare small containers to hold screws and other small parts that we remove. And disassembly, remember when we removing any computer parts and components, we must remember the name of the parts, the location, and the quantity. Step 1. Opening the case. Computer case have different form factors. Form factors refers to the size and shape of the case. There are different methods in opening the case. It's either case cover can be removed as one piece, case top and side panels can be removed, or the top of the case is need to remove before the side panels can be removed. In case of our computer system unit, we need first to unscrew the screw of side panel in order to open our system unit and then remove the front panel case. Step 2. Disconnect power cable and data cables. When disconnecting internal cables, we need to make sure that we do it in a right way and remember its location. Visualize all the connected cables and start from the upper side of the motherboard, including the cables connected in the hard disk drive and power supply power connectors. Remove the Molex connector, remove the air-cooled connector, remove the IDE connector, remove the 4-pin power connector, remove the audio connectors, remove the USB connectors, remove the front panel connectors. Step 3. Remove the detachable dry base. In order to disconnect the 20-pin power connector located at the left side of the hard disk holder, first, unscrew the screw of the dry base and remove it, including the hard disk drive, to its holder. Disconnect the 20-pin power connector. Step 4. Remove the power supply unit. Our power supply unit is mounted in the upper side of our computer case. So first, unscrew and remove the power supply lock. Second, unscrew the power supply screws, which is located in the rear panel of our computer case, then remove the power supply unit. Step 5. Remove the LAN card. Unscrew the screw located in the PCI option slot of the case, then remove the LAN card which is located in the PI slot of the motherboard. Step 6. Remove the random access memory sticks or RAM sticks. In removing the RAM sticks which is located in the RAM slot of the motherboard, just simply push both sides of the ejectors and remove the memory sticks. Step 7. Remove the air cooling. Unscrew the CPU fan which is located in the top of the heatsink, then remove the fan. Step 8. Remove the heatsink. Unscrew the heatsink which is located in the CPU socket and then remove it. Step 9. Remove the central processing unit or CPU. In order to remove the CPU located in the CPU socket, just remove the latch holding the processor and lift the processor straight out of the socket. Step 10. Remove the motherboard. When removing the motherboard from the computer case, just unscrew all screws that attach from the motherboard to the case and remove it. Make sure to properly hold and put it in a proper place. And that's all. We're done in disassembling a computer system unit. And now, what I am going to do is to assemble the computer system unit. In our assembly, we must start from the last step during the disassemble of the system unit. Step 1. Attach the motherboard to the computer case. Just attach all screws of the motherboard to the case and make sure that it is properly seated. Step 2. Insert the CPU to the CPU socket. Step 3. Put the heatsink to the CPU socket and attach the screws. Step 4. Attach the fan to the heatsink and put back the screws. Step 5. Attach the RAM sticks to the RAM slots. Step 6. Insert the LAN card to the PCI slot of the motherboard and put back the screw of the PCI option slots of the case. Step 7. Attach the power supply unit to the case. Put back the screws in the rear panel and the power supply lock and its screws, then insert the 20-pin power connector. Step 8. Attach the hard disk drive to the drive base and put back the screws. Step 9. Reconnect the power cables and the data cables. Reconnect the Molex connectors, reconnect the 4-pin power connectors, reconnect the audio connectors, reconnect the IDE connectors. Reconnect the air-cooled connectors, reconnect the USB connectors, and the front panel connectors. Step 10. Attach the front panel case cover and the side cover, then put back the screw. And that is how we disassemble and assemble a computer system unit.